In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the max expression in Power Automate. This is a great skill to have, especially if you're dealing with data sets where determining the highest value can help drive decisions or trigger specific actions in your automated workflows. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to create an initialize variable action. This is essential because it allows us to set up a data structure that we can use throughout our flow. In this instance, we'll be working with an array, as arrays are perfect for handling lists of items, such as test scores. For our example, we are going to name this variable test scores. This handy label will help you easily identify what data this variable is supposed to hold. Set the type to array, which can store multiple values in a single variable. Next, fill in the value field with the scores you want to analyze. In our case, these will be the scores: 92, 85, 98, 76, and 95. With your array initialized, you're ready to move to the next step. Adding a compose action is the next critical step in our flow. The compose action is a versatile tool in Power Automate that allows you to perform various data operations, and today we'll be using it to calculate the maximum score from our array. When you add the compose action, you will find a field where you can enter expressions to manipulate the data as needed. Navigate to the Expression tab. Here, we'll be taking advantage of the max function, which is specifically designed to return the maximum value from a set of numbers. This function takes the array we've initialized and sifts through all the elements to find the highest one. Enter the expression max, variables, test scores. This expression essentially instructs Power Automate to look within our array variable test scores and identify the maximum number present, which in our example will be 98. After entering this expression, hit OK to confirm. With these steps completed, it's time to run your flow. Simply execute it and observe how the compose action processes the array. In the output section, you will see the highest score, which will be 98, displayed as the result of the max function. And there you have it. You've successfully used the max expression in Power Automate to determine the highest value in your array of test scores. This method is efficient and saves a significant amount of time when managing larger datasets or more complex workflows. Be sure to integrate this powerful tool into your processes whenever you need to identify maximum values quickly and accurately. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.